Now let us see how we can convert recurring decimal to fraction. Here suppose we have a number x equals to 0.75. So the first thing we have to do is we have to make two equations and subtract the lesser from the greater to cancel out the recurring digits, and then find the value of x in fraction form. So here we can write one equation as x equals to 0.7555. It can be one equation, and for the next one we are going to multiply this with 10. Multiply with by 10, 10x equals to 7.555. It's gonna be equation 2. So let's see why we are multiplying this with 10 and not with any other numbers. So here we can see that only one digit is recurring, that is 5. So there is a bar above only one digit. So this is the one that is recurring. So if you want to make out a formula, suppose if we know that n digits are recurring, then we have to multiply x by 10 to the power n. So since here only one digit is recurring, so we will multiply it by 10 to the power 1. So here n equals to 1. So if we had something like 0.756756, that means the pattern 3 digits are recurring here. So we would have to multiply it with 10 to the power 3. That would be 1000. So since here is only one digit repeating, we will multiply with 10 to the power 1. That will be 10. So this is the reason we are multiplying it with 10. So now that we have two equations, we are going to subtract the lesser from the greater to find the value of x. So let's go ahead and do 2 minus 1. We get 10x equals to 7.55. We know x equals to 0.75. Zero. So 9x is going to be 6.8. So now we can find out x equals to 6.8 divided by 9. To cancel out the decimal point, we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 10. So we get 68 divided by 90. So x equals to, we can cancel by 2, that also be 34, 45. So x equals to 34 by 45. So we can write 0.75 bar. The value of this recurring decimal number in fraction is going to be 34 divided by 45. So here the key things to note is that if the number of digits repeating is equal to n, we have to multiply x with 10 to the power n. Here, since only one digit is repeating, we are multiplying x with 10 to the power 1, that is 10.